Yes. I still haven't done my Christmas shopping yet.
I have neither. However, I don't grudge feeding the little creatures.
No, where would Christmas in a cathedral be without choristers? Here's Dr. Rees.
Good morning, ladies. Thank you so much for coming to the Pilgrims.
Good morning. How nice
Thank
to meet you. You look lovely.
Thank you very
What
much.
a wonderful colour that is.
It's St Andrew's University, but nothing to do with the cathedral.
How many cars just round the corner?
Oh, nice to see you both.
Hello, my dear.
How
Very
are
nice
you?
to meet you.
Yes, lovely to see you
Indeed,
again.
been a long time, yes.
Yes, it has.
Amazing. Absolutely amazing. I've never seen such a quantity.
Yeah, well, we do have 3,000 of the things, spread out all over the paddocks. Boxed up ready for you.
That should fatten our little choristers up.
Right, Jennifer, let's fly with the goose. Off we go.
Gather the gallery like the fairy. Christmas is coming, the goose is getting fat. Please put a penny in the old man's hat.
Red cabbage, such a suitable colour for Christmas.
Hello, is anyone stupid?
An explosive alternative Christmas
I
pudding.
wonder if there's any more. There should be goose.
Fans happy. Now what can this be, I wonder?
Great treats.
Oh, Jennifer, just what I've always wanted. Linda McCartney's meals without meat.
I think just the thing for you.
Thank you so much. What will I do with that, I ask myself.
Never mind, yeah. You'll get a proper present later.
Yes, quite.
Yes, your very good health.
And you.
And very happy Christmas.
Happy Christmas, dear.
Bon Noël.